Deep in the heart of the dense Amazon rainforest, there existed whispers of a lost city shrouded in mystery and legend. For years, explorers and archaeologists had searched in vain, their quests often ending in frustration or tales of peril. But Emily, a determined young archaeologist with a passion for uncovering ancient civilizations, believed she was close to unraveling the city's enigma. Armed with a weathered map passed down through generations, Emily embarked on her journey accompanied by a small team of trusted colleagues. They traversed treacherous terrain, hacking through thick vines and navigating swift rivers, following clues that led deeper into the heart of the jungle. One humid afternoon, as they ventured into a secluded valley obscured by mist, Emily spotted a towering structure partially hidden by foliage, the first sign of the lost city's existence. Excitement surged through her veins as they uncovered intricate carvings and crumbling stone buildings adorned with symbols of a forgotten civilization. As they delved deeper into the city's secrets, they discovered a network of temples, plazas, and residences adorned with intricate artwork and remnants of a once thriving culture. Emily's heart swelled with awe and wonder as she realized they had stumbled upon a place frozen in time, preserved by the dense jungle that had hidden it for centuries. But the true magic of their discovery lay in the people they encountered, descendants of the ancient civilization who had continued to live in harmony with their surroundings. They welcomed Emily and her team with open arms, sharing stories of their ancestors and the city's rich history. Their community was built on mutual respect and a deep connection to the land, embodying the spirit of resilience and unity. In the days that followed, Emily and her team immersed themselves in the city's culture, documenting its artifacts and traditions while forging friendships with its inhabitants. They celebrated together under the starlit sky, dancing to rhythmic drums and feasting on local delicacies. For Emily, this was more than just a discovery. It was a journey of understanding and connection that transcended time. As they prepared to leave, Emily knew that the lost city had found a new place in her heart.